going to go ahead and remove the lug nuts and then remove the wheel. Our particular wheel has custom lug nuts, so we're going to use our locking tool to remove these here. Once the lug nuts are removed, go ahead and grab the wheel and set it aside. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove our sway bar end link nut. Let's go ahead and remove our upper sway bar end link. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and loosen the nut on our sway bar end link here. Let's go ahead and install our lower part of the link. Just going to get a nut started on there. And we're going to feed our upper link up and into place. Let's go ahead and feed our upper link into our strut mount. Feed that through, and we'll go ahead and get our nut installed. Just going to get that threaded on a few threads. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to go ahead and tighten up the lower end link nut. Let's now go ahead and torque the lower sway bar end link nut to 41 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and tighten up our upper sway bar end link nut. Let's now go ahead and torque the upper sway bar end link to 41 foot-pounds. So now go ahead and get our wheel installed. We'll go ahead and get our lug nuts started by hand. Once we get all these installed, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque the lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds.